Hi everyone, welcome back to Dila's Kitchen. So today I'll be making lemon garlic chicken with some cilantro and I'll be serving it with some creamy potatoes. I'll take you through it, so let's get to it. I'm using chicken thighs today. I've cleaned it and removed the excess fat and pet dry it to make sure that it's completely dry before I start with it. I have a teaspoon of pepper. I have a teaspoon of salt here. I've got some oregano, teaspoon, and a teaspoon of paprika. I'm giving that a mix and just seasoning the chicken quickly. So as you can see, some of it's got skin on and skin off. Seasoning it both sides, and I'm also going in the skin with some of it. I don't really make chicken with skin. I'm adding some oil, olive oil, to a pan. Going to shallow fry it, but just waiting for it to just heat up a bit. You can use any skillet, any pan, or shallow pot. I'm going to fry it both sides until it's brown. Flipping it. I am removing my chicken to a Pyrex dish. Transferring it now to the Pyrex dish. As you can see, it's nice and brown. And I'll be using the same pan. So because we're adding liquid, we're doing it on a low heat. I am adding a cup of wine and then about 2 cups of chicken stock. So we're going to just deglaze the pan a bit. Cup of wine, and I'm scraping off the excess chicken that was in the pan just now. Giving this a minute just to cook through. Okay, giving it a minute and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. I needed just to use the cilantro after the first rain because we had everything is grown like overnight. I'm adding my 2 cups of chicken broth. I've got 6 garlic cloves here. Remember, we said it's a garlicky chicken. You want to taste the garlic. I love garlic anyway. If you're not a garlic fan, don't add too much garlic. I've got a 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And I'm going in with the cilantro. We're going to give this a few minutes just to cook through. Okay, so this has been cooking for a few minutes. So you can decide whether you want to do 1.5 cups or 2 cups, depending on how saucy you want it. If you want to add a teaspoon of flour to it, you can. So I'm going to remove it from the heat now. I am pouring the sauce over the chicken. Look at all the garlic. I've got some foil here and I'm going to cover it up. My oven's already preheating. 180 degrees Celsius. I'm going to bake it for 30 to 40 minutes. I just removed my chicken from the oven. I am going to plate up and we can then finish off. So my lemon garlic cilantro chicken is ready. Like I said, I made some creamy potatoes on the side. So I would say use 1.5 cups of chicken broth, chicken stock, 1.5 tablespoons of flour or corn flour in the oven with the foil. 30 minutes, remove the foil, and then 10 to 15 minutes on grill in order to get that nice brown chicken. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram or Facebook. The link and the recipe will be in the description. Thank you for watching and God bless.